Hello there, thank you so much for sticking to the course. This is our day 5, and our day 5 we will try to cover one thing, which is the icons. So if you remember, we previously covered the course screens, and those specific screen we have created, like the course, how the courses section work, how we can get into the course, and last but not least, we also covered the main screen of the app, which is obviously the home screen. But here is one thing. Even I also inform you do to cover the icons, but here's one thing that right now I really want you to show to you as well how we can create the icons. And one other thing that I would also show you, for example, there are plenty of resources where we can get the icons from as well, but sometimes we need to cover the custom icon. So we basically draw the icons, and based on that we convert that into the Figma or the Illustrator and SVG, like in vector format, and that's how we use the icons. So there are plenty of things that we can do, but first thing first, like how, for example, if we need the icons creation, how we can do it. So it's very easy. Sometimes, like finding one icon take up to 1 hour, in some cases. And sometime, like, once you start drawing those icon, it just take like, a few minutes of your time, and that's it, right? So I really want you to show the process. If you needed to work on some icons, you can either draw it, or you can even find it online. So whichever works for you in that particular case, you can do it. Okay, so first thing first, if you can see over here, we have this menu icon, right? What we call it, like navigation, and in here we can navigate to each and every pages of this particular app, right? So in our design, if you look into it, we have just, like same icon I have used everywhere, which is not that good approach. So basically what I can do is I will try to create those icon first, and there is also one thing that we also need to create and draw those icon as well, because there is one thing. If you look into those icon, right, this look more good and professional than the one we did, because we have replicated same icons and also same text. So this is very like it's not the way that we should work, right? We need to be pixel perfect and make sure that we also use the right content, right? So I think without wasting the time, let's get into the field. Okay, so first thing first, we already have this icon over here. We have it, but again I think if we should draw it, that would be perfect. Okay, so first thing first, if you look around, we have this round shape over here, and then we have this is also round from here as well. So we can do it in a very, like there is doing in Figma, we can do each part in so many different way. So whatever way you think would be perfect for you, you can just do it. Okay, so again, let's try to cover those. Okay, let me just delete this part. All right, so basically let's get into it. Okay, I will draw with the help of this pen tool. I will just select pen tool and then start drawing. Okay, so I will select over here, and here, also here. Okay, here as well, here as well, here as well. So this is the one way of doing it. And what else we can do here, you can see this bend tool here. So once we click on this, select this bend tool, and we need to give a little bend over here, because it's already over here as well, right? So let's do this one and this one. Boom, this part is created. But one thing is, you can see over here we have this roundness over here. Okay, I will make sure that increase this, and let's see how the thing is. But let me fill this off, and I will try to select this color, and I don't have this stroke here, so I will get rid of the stroke. Okay, and now what else we can do is we can give it a little roundness, like let me try 4. Oops, 4 is a lot. Let's try 2. 2 is also a lot. Let's try 1 and see. Okay, I think we don't have roundness here, but let me give it a roundness a little bit. Okay, maybe 0.5 if it's available. Yeah, I think this is fine. And now let's draw this shape as well. So to draw that, I will again select the pen tool, select this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. Okay, and yeah, I think it is already around edges, so I will just select right text. Okay, and I will delete this one. So right now we created the icon almost, but here is one thing. I think this roundness is a bit like 1 pixel. I will make it 1 pixel. Okay. What do you think? This is fine, or we should increase it? I think this is fine for now, but we also need to draw this shape as well. So if we draw it with the help of pen tool, so let's try it and see how it look. Okay, and I will fill with this color, remove the roundness. Oops, I think this one looks good, it's genuine. So let's paste it over here. Yeah, so I think we should with the help of this pen tool, we should cover this. Okay, so yeah, let's let me just drag it over here, boom, and I will give it a frame. The frame should be let me make it 32 and 32. Okay, and now let's make this middle align, and now this one should be over here. Perfect. So we created the first icon here.